So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message on Life360 app. Now to send a message on your Life360 app, first off you'll need to download the app, then you can just open it up. From here you can see some aspects of the app, and mainly you will need to tap on a circle member's profile and select the message icon. So once you're here, you'll see here your circle and the members of your circle. So once you expand on this, you can access different members that are within that circle that's selected. So once there, you can see your people within a certain Life360 circle. So just choose one of those and click the messaging icon next to them and choose the preferred messaging app. So by clicking on messaging, you will get the list on your device to send the text. So if you need some more information, you can gather from that person just by texting them. You can click on their profile, you'll get the option to text them, and then you will get a pop-up of that pop-up is going to ask you which messaging app would you like to use to contact that person. So it's quite simple. Just don't expect from the app itself to be used as a messaging app. You can set up your preferences, of course, but you can't really use the app to message someone. It's mainly used for alerts, so you can then contact that circle member after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.